Welcome to this audiobook of Taming the Infinite, the story of mathematics from the first number to chaos theory, written by the acclaimed mathematician Ian Stewart. In this journey, we will explore the fascinating history of human thought. Mathematics is often seen as a collection of cold, hard rules, but in reality, it is a living, breathing story. It is the story of how humanity learned to count, measure, and eventually master the infinite. Preface. Mathematics did not spring into being fully formed. It grew from the cumulative efforts of many people, from many cultures, who spoke many languages. Mathematical ideas that are still in use today go back more than 4,000 years. Unlike many human discoveries, mathematics is not ephemeral. It is, in fact, often permanent. Once a mathematical discovery has been made, it becomes available for anyone to use, and thereby acquires a life of its own. Good mathematical ideas seldom go out of fashion, though their implementation can change dramatically. Methods for solving equations, for example, discovered by the ancient Babylonians, are still in use today. We do not use their notation, but the historical link is undeniable. In fact, most of the mathematics taught in schools is at least 200 years old. The advent of modern mathematics curricula in the 1960s brought the subject into the 19th century. But, contrary to appearances, mathematics has not stood still. Today, more new mathematics is created every week than the Babylonians managed in 2,000 years. The rise of human civilization and the rise of mathematics have gone hand in hand. Without Greek, Arab, and Hindu discoveries in trigonometry, navigation across the open ocean would have been an even more hazardous task than it was when the great mariners opened up all 6 continents. Today's society could not function without mathematics. Sometimes it was discovered last week, other times the discoveries that our technology relies upon are thousands of years old. Most of us do not realize this, which is unfortunate because it makes us think that technology works by magic, leading us to expect new miracles on a daily basis. On the other hand, it is entirely natural. We want to use these miracles as easily and with as little thought as possible. If every airline passenger were made to pass a trigonometry test before boarding, few of us would ever leave the ground. To write a truly comprehensive history of mathematics is virtually impossible. The subject is now so broad, so complicated, and so technical that even an expert would find such a book unreadable, leaving aside the sheer impossibility of anyone writing it. Maurice Klein came close with his epic work, Mathematical Thought from Ancient to Modern Times, yet even that misses out on almost everything that has happened in the last 100 years. This book is much shorter, which means I have had to be selective, especially regarding mathematics from the 20th and 21st centuries. I confess that the list of what is missing is far greater than what is included, and my choices have been guided by the background knowledge readers are likely to possess and which new ideas can be explained succinctly. The story is roughly chronological within each chapter, but the chapters are organized by topics. This was necessary to maintain a coherent narrative. Consequently, each new chapter begins by stepping back into the past, touching upon the historical milestones passed as the subject developed. I have tried to provide a flavor of modern mathematics, meaning anything done in the last 100 years or so. A sub-theme of this book is the practical use of mathematics, and I have provided a very eclectic sample of applications, both past and present. Mathematics has a long, glorious, but somewhat neglected history, and the subject's influence on the development of human culture has been immense. If this book conveys a tiny part of that story, it will have achieved what it set out to do. Coventry, May 2007.